Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, West Central Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, North Central Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, East Central Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Easley, or near Powdersville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenville, Greer, Malden, Taylors, Five Forks, Welcome, Powdersville, and GSP Airport. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. The storm will be accompanied by brief heavy rainfall and little or no lightning. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson, Greenville, Pickens, and Spartanburg. The National Weather Service in Greenville.